Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating the project folder and two files, index, HTML and styles, CSS, then open that folder in VS Code. Once done, install Live Server and HTML/CSS IntelliSense so you get instant feedback and completions. Make sure autosave is on and file encoding set to UTF-8 for consistent behavior. This gets you from 0 to an editable workspace fast and explains why those extensions reduce friction while you prototype and validate markup and style immediately. You now scaffold HTML quickly using Emmet, type exclamation then press tab to generate the boilerplate, then link styles. CSS with rel equals stylesheet so the browser loads styles. Once linked, create semantic elements and add class and ID selectors to target styles precisely. Start Live Server to open a browser preview, then open DevTools to inspect elements and test CSS changes live. This workflow lets you iterate rapidly. Change a rule, save, and watch the page update so you understand cause and effect. You finish by polishing the workflow. Enable Format on Save, install Prettier to keep code consistent, and set workspace settings for tabs and indentation. Use Split Editor to view HTML and CSS side by side, and rely on built-in validations to catch syntax errors. If styles do not appear, check the href path, ensure rel equals stylesheet is correct, clear the browser cache, and inspect specificity. Sometimes a more specific rule is overriding your style. These final checks save time and prevent subtle rendering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.